Hello friends, the next point in the mathematical methods for 11th standard is law of parallelogram. With the help of law of parallelogram, we have to explain the addition of two vectors by law of parallelogram method. First we explain the statement for parallelogram method. If two vectors of same type and which can be drawn from the same point are represented in magnitude and direction, by the adjacent side of the parallelogram, then their resultant is represented in magnitude and direction by the diagonal of the parallelogram. This is the statement for law of parallelogram. Here consider two vectors p bar and q bar with their tail at point O. दोन वेक्टर घेतले OA bar, OB bar, OA is equal to P bar, OB is equal to Q bar with their tail at point O point पासून सुरुवात केली and same type and inclined to each other at an angle theta. या दोघांच्या मधला कोन किती आहे? थीटा इतका आहे. Then join BC and AC to complete the parallelogram. OACB with OA is equal to P bar and OB is equal to Q bar as the adjacent side of the parallelogram. या दोन बाजू काय आहेत? adjacent side आहेत. We have to prove that diagonal R bar, हा जो diagonal आहे, हा diagonal OC bar is the resultant of sum of the two given vector. या diagonal ची किंमत कुणा इतकी आहे? तर या दोन वेक्टरांच्या बेरजे इतकी असते असं आपल्याला या ठिकाणी प्रूव्ह करायचं आहे. ते आता प्रूव्ह करूया. बाय ट्रायंगल लॉ ऑफ वेक्टर एडिशन, या ठिकाणी ट्रायंगल लॉ ऑफ वेक्टर एडिशन चा वापर करून we have to write that is OA bar plus OB bar is equal to OC bar. By the law of vector addition, OA bar is equal to AC bar is equal to OC bar, equation number 1, but AC bar parallel to OB. AC कुणाला पॅरलल आहे? OB ला पॅरलल आहे. म्हणून AC bar is equal to OB bar is equal to Q bar, equation number 2. Substitute this value in equation number 1. Therefore, equation number 1 becomes P bar plus Q bar is equal to R bar, where R bar is the resultant vector of these two vectors OA bar and OB bar, that is P bar and Q bar. Now we find the magnitude of the resultant vector R bar. आता आपण काय करूया? या वेक्टरची मॅग्निट्यूड आणि दिशा पण काढायच्या. प्रथम आपण मॅग्निट्यूड फाइंड आउट करूया. फॉर दिस केस we can draw a perpendicular from point C to mid OA extended at point D. CD काय करायचं? OA ला वाढवायचं, त्याला D या पॉइंट पर्यंत परपेंडिक्युलर टाकायचं. Then we have to write from figure. आता आपण फिगर वरून माहिती घेऊया. To find the magnitude of resultant vector OC bar is equal to R bar. From figure angle BOA is equal to angle CAD is equal to theta. हा CAD हा BOA is equal to angle आपल्याला थीटा मिळतो फिगर वरून. आणखीन याच्यामध्ये साइड OB bar is equal to AC bar is equal to Q bar ही किंमत आपल्याला मिळते. आपण आता एक ट्रायंगल कन्सिडर करूया. In triangle ADC, what is the value for sin theta? ADC, we have to write sin theta is equal to DC divided by AC. Therefore, DC is equal to AC into sin theta. ही एक किंमत झाली. Also from that triangle, cos theta is equal to AD divided by AC. Therefore, AD is equal to AC into cos theta. This equation number 3. This equation number 4. Also, we can write from triangle. अजून आपण या ट्रायंगल मधून लिहू शकतो. From triangle OCD. From triangle OCD, we have to write in triangle OCD. We write here OC square is equal to OD square plus DC square. Here, by using Pythagoras theorem, we have to write here OC square is equal to OD square plus DC square. But OD is equal to what? OD is equal to OA plus AD. Therefore, OC square is equal to OA plus AD bracket square plus DC square. We have to solve this equation A plus B bracket square by using rule. OC square is equal to OA square plus 2OA into AD plus AD square plus DC square. Therefore, we write here the next. We write here AD square plus DC square. AD square plus DC square from in triangle ACD or ADC. AC square is equal to AC square is equal to AD square plus DC square. By using Pythagoras theorem, we have to obtain the value for AC square is equal to AD square plus DC square. Therefore, we can write here, आपण असं लिहू शकतो या ठिकाणी. आता काय लिहू शकतो? OC square is equal to OA square plus 2OA into AD is AD square plus DC square is equal to plus AC square. But from figure OC is equal to R, OA is equal to P, AD is equal to आपल्याला माहित आहे AC cos theta आहे. AD झालं AC म्हणजे काय आहे? AC ची किंमत आपल्याला AC स्क्वेअर म्हणजे इथं आहे. AC square is equal to Q आहे. AC square Q square. Therefore, this equation can be written as R square is equal to OA means what? OA means P. P square plus 2P into AD sin theta. AC means Q. Itha P 2P into Q into cos theta plus AC means Q square. Therefore, we write here R square is equal to P square plus Q square plus 2PQ into cos theta. Taking square root on both sides, therefore R is equal to square root of P square plus Q square plus 2PQ into cos theta. With the help of this equation, or this equation gives the magnitude of resultant vector OC bar, that is R bar. याचा उपयोग करून आपण R ची किंमत फाइंड आउट करू शकतो. Also we can find here the magnitude of resultant vector R bar. या R bar ची आपण काय काढूया? दिशा काढूया. For this case we have to consider the triangle. या ठिकाणी आपण आता ट्रायंगल एक कन्सिडर करूया आणि तो ट्रायंगल ODC हा आहे. ODC हा त्रिकोण आपण या ठिकाणी घेऊया. टू फाइंड द डायरेक्शन ऑफ रिझल्टंट वेक्टर इन ट्रायंगल OCD. या त्रिकोणामध्ये आपल्याला tan अल्फाची किंमत लिहायची आहे. tan alpha is equal to what? Tan alpha is equal to समोरची बाजू भागिले लगतची बाजू. Tan alpha is equal to DC divided by लगतची बाजू OD म्हणजे OA plus इथं OD लिहूया. Therefore, but OD is equal to OA plus AD, therefore tan alpha is equal to DC divided by OA plus AD. इथं आपल्याला DC ची किंमत माहित आहे. tan alpha is equal to Q into DC means Q into sin theta divided by OA means what? OA is equal to P plus AD means Q into cos theta. Therefore, alpha is equal to tan inverse of Q into sin theta divided by P plus Q into cos theta. With the help of this equation, we can determine the direction of resultant vector in case of law of parallelogram method. Okay, we have to explain next point, resolution of vectors. The resolution of vector. What is meant by resolution of vector? The process of splitting a given vector into its component is called as the resolution of vector. दिलेल्या वेक्टर त्याचं दोन अनेक वेक्टर मध्ये रूपांतर करण्याच्या प्रोसेसला काय म्हटलं जातं? रिझोल्यूशन ऑफ वेक्टर्स असं म्हटलं जातं. The component can be found along the direction which are mutually perpendicular. They are called a rectangular component. What is meant by rectangular component of a given vector? That is, rectangular means that is the component which are perpendicular, mutually perpendicular to each other. That components are called as the rectangular component. To find the magnitude or to find the rectangular component in two dimension system. या ठिकाणी आपण two dimension system घेतलेली आहे. X and Y coordinate system. In this case, we have to find the rectangular components in two dimensional system. For this case, consider a vector r bar. हा वेक्टर घेतला. R bar is equal to OC bar. This vector originating from the point O or origin of the rectangular coordinate system, then draw perpendicular from point C to x-axis at point A and along y-axis from, that is, we have to draw the perpendicular from point C to y-axis at point B. Therefore, OA bar is equal to RX bar, OB bar is equal to RY bar, where RX and RY bar are the components of R bar or OC bar along the x-axis, along the y-axis. Then we can write here by law of parallelogram method, R bar is equal to RX bar plus RY bar. Then we have to write in case of unit vector, R bar is equal to Rx I bar plus Ry j bar, where I bar and j bar are the unit vector along the x-axis and along the y-axis. Rx and Ry are the magnitudes of vector or components along x-axis and along y-axis. We consider here from triangle OAC, AOC या त्रिकोणामध्ये or OAC या त्रिकोणामध्ये, we write here sin theta is equal to Ry divided by R. समोरची बाजू भागिले कर्ण. Therefore, Ry is equal to R into sin theta. Cos theta is equal to, त्याच त्रिकोणामध्ये cos theta ची किंमत, cos theta is equal to Rx divided by R. Therefore, Rx is equal to R into cos theta. Squaring and adding these two equations. याचा वर्ग करा आणि दोघांची काय घ्या, बेरीज घ्या. Therefore rx वर्ग plus ry square is equal to r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta. r common घेऊया. r square, r is common, therefore we write here rx square plus ry square is equal to r square. Here cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Therefore r is equal to square root of rx square plus ry square. With the help of this formula we can determine the magnitude of resultant vector r bar. r bar ची आपण या ठिकाणी किंमत या समीकरणाने फाइंड करू शकतो in two-dimensional coordinate system. We have to find the direction of this resultant vector r bar. आता r bar ची आपण काय काढूया, किंमत काढूया. Therefore r bar ची किंमत आपल्याला दिशा फाइंड आउट करायची आहे. फ्रॉम फिगर tan theta is equal to, या त्रिकोणामध्ये OAC या त्रिकोणामध्ये tan theta is equal to ry divided by rx. Therefore theta is equal to tan inverse of ry divided by rx. With the help of this formula we can determine the direction of resultant vector r bar or OC bar. This is the two-dimensional coordinate system. In case of three-dimensional coordinate system we can write r is equal to square root of rx square plus ry square plus rz square. या फॉर्म्युल्याचा वापर करून आपण थ्री डायमेन्शनल सिस्टीम मध्ये r ची किंमत काढू शकतो.